Hey guys, it's anime somebody, I don't know. It's anime, I don't know. We're gonna play some Minecraft. So yeah, we're playing Minecraft today and we're gonna go in full screen mode. We're gonna do single player. So we're gonna create a new world. And the new world's gonna be called, guess it. Wolfcraft. Whatever, we're just gonna go with yeah. Whatever that is. And create new world. BRB as soon as it gets loaded. As soon as I press the stop button. Okay, I'm back. So, oh no, what happened? I had to pause it to do something because I had to turn off my music. Okay, now, yeah, I'm here. Let's go punch down this tree. This is so laggy. I can't believe I'll play like this. Wow. Just, yeah. It gets better. Yep. Oh, yeah. Here's, okay, yeah. Just, yep. It's everything. This is my skin. Oh my gosh. That app is terrible. I'm making a new skin on my computer. Yep. New. Whole brand new skin. And I'm going to show it to you guys when I'm done. It's probably not, video is not going to be today, but I'll do it today. Okay. Now let's turn that into wood. Well, it's already wood. You know, planks. Sorry if you get my parents. They're so irritating. Okay, now let's go. Look at these flowers. They're beautiful. Let's chop them in this other tree. And I picked up a flower too. Whoopsies. Okay. Chop, 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 chop. Ah! Okay. It's working. I'm gonna 32 planks. Dang. Okay. I'm chopping down more trees. Okay. Chop. This is so laggy. I need to, what do I need to do? Oh yeah, I need a new computer. A gaming one. But I'm probably never gonna get one, so yeah. Oh, someone sends one to me as a gift. Oh. Okay, let's go find some land. Let's do so laggy. What the? Okay. Put that down. And now, put that there. As soon as it won't. So laggy. Like some sticks. Some sticks. Now I have to build. Now I'm gonna make a pickaxe first. Actually, that's a better idea. Them sticks right there. Make some pickaxes, or just a pickaxe. Time to mine. Now let's get this on the way. Okay. So I'm gonna make a little tunnel thing. Yep, this is a perfect plan. Let's get this what? Let's get this thing done. Let's see. I'll make a house before it gets night. So, yeah. I have everything I need. So, yeah. Let's get started. This is super laggy. I think, yeah. I'm pretty sure I'll come back to you guys once I'm done building, of course. This is lag. This just why it's this. That's why it's this, okay? Okay, so I'm back. And now it's so dark it got night when I was building. My roof isn't done. I'm gonna, oh my gosh, I tried to do a command to do my spawn point, but I turned cheats off. And now I'm screwed. Oh gosh, I can't even see. What? I'm like, wow. I made the extra stuff. So bye. I hope that's done today. I can't stand this.